That's what I like to see. Women cooking. Is that bleach? I know you ain't just put no bleach in the chicken. Who put you in charge of the chicken?
And we did.
That ain't cleaning the chicken. Y'all putting bleach. What is seasoning at?
It cleans your mouth when you eat it. There's so many
What?
stuff in there. And I use all the seasoning. What do you mean?
What do you mean all the seasoning?
Salt and we got pepper.
And she used pepper. You supposed to put both.
No, this was pepper, this was salt.
All right, come on, let's go. Chipotle.